Hey, what's up guys, Retepsmata here, and it is day 2 of not having a microphone because I haven't gotten a battery. I think the rest of this vacation is going to be without a microphone just because, I don't know. Today's the first beach day, so that's what we're going to be doing for the most part today. It is 2:21, so it's a late starting vlog because I've been editing for the past like 3 hours or I was done editing the video on the MacBook and I was rendering it, and then I went to the bathroom and then I came back to the MacBook and the video failed to render, so I'm gonna have to re-edit that video. Now I'm yet another video behind. I know I'm not getting paid or like I have a ton of subs or anything. I really don't have any at all, and only like a quarter, if not less, of my viewers consistently watch. But I mean, I don't know. I still feel like I have a duty to the consistent subscribers to upload fairly fast, and I'm not good at that, so I kind of feel bad. But anyway, either way, I still feel like I have a duty to the people who click that sub button. I still feel bad, but whatever. We're good to go.
Nice.
We made it to the beach with the fam. The waves look pretty nice. It's transitioning from high tide to low tide again, so as time goes on they're gonna get smaller, but it's looking pretty good for right now. I kind of want to just chill for a little bit before I go out though.
Oh, it's a little chilly.
I know I have to go under at some point, but I really don't want to at all.
Wow, this next one. Yup.
Nate with the Tommy. Oh, sure. So we're leaving the beach right now. I don't want to be here alone. It just got super chilly for like a few hours straight. I'm just gonna take the stairs because there's a super long line for the elevator and I'm not down to beat that long. Plus, elevators are super awkward if you're not with your fam or whatever. It's just weird. I'm not about it. Jeez, there's a lot of stairs. I think that's I'm not sure though. I think this is it. Yeah. This is it. Yup. That's me, baby. Yep. I am in there like swimwear. Well, now that I'm showered and ready to relax, I'll be editing for probably a good amount of time. Probably a couple hours, few hours. Really until I have to stop, so I don't know, we'll see how long that is, and then I guess I'll pick it up after or whatever. Maybe this is the end of the video. I don't know.